Welcome everybody, it's your boy Clean Car Chris. Welcome back to my channel where it's all about car detailing with nothing but good vibes. Yeah man, I have a quick one for you guys. Windshield. How can you super clean it? How can you get it as clean as possible so you have optimum visibility when you're on the road? Alright guys, for this video we're going to focus on the exterior of the windshield. So we're going to wash it, clay it, polish it, and seal it. So let's get to it. Alright guys, you might say to yourself, well, the windshield is clean, I already washed it. But guys, you know, everything in car detailing, when you're doing step by step, multiple steps, you're going to achieve better results. You know what I mean? Yes, it's clean, but we can take more steps to make it that much cleaner, that much clearer, to improve the clarity and the overall look of the windshield itself. So, with that said, we're going to clay the windscreen. I'm just going to use some soapy water as my lubricant today of our clay mitt. Just soap up the entire windscreen, guys, or the area you're going to work on. You want to keep your mitt all sudsed up also. Remember guys, when you're claying, lubrication is key. And I can feel a little bit of resistance, not too much. That means the clay is doing its job and picking up any contaminants that's on the windscreen. It's a good idea to clay your windscreen, guys, because so many contaminants hit your windscreen or your windshield, because obviously it's at the front of the vehicle. So all those bugs, all that traffic film, all that road grime, dirt, whatever, it's constantly being thrown up against your screen, right? As your windshield, rather. So you want to keep going over it until you feel it passing over smoothly, like it is just about now. Awesome. You feel it starting to get smoother. That means you know all the contaminants are being picked up. All right, guys, for time for a quick rinse. All right, the glass is feeling super smooth. And guys, you don't have to use a clay mitt. You can use any type of clay material, clay bar, clay rag, clay mitt, whatever, clay towel. Let's dry up the area we're going to be working on. So we have a nice, clean, dry surface to continue working with. Keep note of all the steps, and you can try them on your own if you're a DIYer, or if you want to offer this service in your car detailing business, you can try these steps out too, guys. All right, my people, once you dry off your windscreen, you want to give it a quick inspection, make sure it's squeaky clean, ready for the polish. You know, I'm inspecting here now and I can see a little area like this, for example. I didn't wash that area good enough, I guess, or maybe I missed it while I was cleaning, but in any event, we can take care of it with a little bit of glass cleaner. One of these plastic razor blade. Just keep the surface really lubricated, guys, with your glass cleaner. And just like that, you can clear up little imperfections like that, simply. Area here also. You know, the polishing step might take care of these little imperfections too, guys. But I'm just showing you different ways you can go about doing things. So you can just take them as a few tips. All right. So let's proceed to the polishing stage. Today, I'm going to use this product right here. It's specially formulated to polish glass. As you can see, glass polish. Clarity cream from PNS. Awesome stuff, guys. Just a couple drops, guys. You don't need a lot. Maybe 3 or 4 dime-sized drops. Come over here. Quick tip, guys, when you're polishing, if you have a polisher that has a cord on it, and I throw the cord over your shoulder so you don't have the cord banging up against the vehicle. So you want to work in sections, guys. So we're going to work in this section around here, maybe like a quarter of the glass, the windshield itself, pretty much. All right, so then at low speed, just kind of spread it around. And then crank up the speed and work it in. And of course, you get your clean microfiber and buff out. Alright guys, a quick tip I can give you when you're buffing off your polish. It's always recommended to use a nice IPA spray. This is Q2M Prep from Gian, awesome stuff. This will just help further clean the area. So it will strip off any other remaining like oils, any kind of residue that the actual polish itself might leave behind on the surface. So highly recommended. You don't have to, but I like to give you guys some extra tips. Check it out. It's looking super clear and nice. But guess what, guys? You can even take it a step further and add some protection to the windscreen. So today, you guys already know, I love wet coat. Let's make things simple, guys. Let's just wet up the windshield, spray on the wet coat, and rinse off. As you can see, guys, look how flat the water is on the windshield. Super clean, super smooth, but let's get it nice, protected and hydrophobic. That's all you need. All right, there you guys have it. This windshield is now super clean, polished, clayed, sealed, protected, all of that, guys. So you don't know, quick step by step. It's your boy Clean Car Chris. Every Wednesday, 4 p.m. Like, share, subscribe. You don't know, every time. Bless.